Hey there, investors. Welcome to an exciting journey into the future of technology and biology. Today, we're diving into the world of synthetic biology with Ginkgo Bioworks, a company that's revolutionizing the way we think about biology and its applications. They're like the Willy Wonka of this space, using biology to design and produce everything from fragrances to food ingredients. Imagine a world where biology can be programmed like software to create sustainable and innovative solutions. It's cutting-edge stuff, folks. And Ginkgo's platform is designed to make this technology accessible to a wide range of industries. From agriculture to pharmaceuticals, the potential applications are vast and transformative. But here's the thing. The market hasn't fully embraced Ginkgo yet. Despite their groundbreaking work, their stock price has been a roller coaster ride. Their stock price has been volatile, and some analysts are hesitant. This volatility can be attributed to the nascent stage of the synthetic biology industry and the inherent risks associated with pioneering new technologies. So, is Ginkgo Bioworks a hidden gem ready to explode? Could it be the next big thing in biotech, offering substantial returns for early investors? Or is it a risky bet? The uncertainty in the market makes it a challenging decision for potential investors. Let's dig in and find out. We'll explore the company's financial health, technological advancements, and market potential. We're talking about a company at the forefront of a technological revolution. Ginkgo Bioworks is not just another biotech firm, it's a pioneer in synthetic biology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This is the kind of opportunity that could make you rich, but we need to be smart about it. Investing in such a dynamic and evolving field requires careful consideration and due diligence. We'll look at the numbers, analyze the risks, and figure out if Ginkgo is right for your portfolio. Understanding the company's vision, market strategy, and financial stability is crucial. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the exciting and potentially lucrative world of synthetic biology. Stay tuned as we uncover the potential and pitfalls of investing in Ginkgo Bioworks. All right, let's get down to brass tacks and talk numbers. Numbers don't lie, but they can be interpreted in many ways. So it's crucial to dig deep and understand the story they tell. Ginkgo's financials are a bit of a mixed bag right now. On the surface, it might seem like a roller coaster, but let's break it down to see what's really going on. On the one hand, they've got a ton of cash on hand, which is always a good sign. This liquidity gives them a cushion to weather any storms and invest in future growth opportunities. They're also generating revenue, but it's not skyrocketing just yet. Steady growth is better than no growth, but investors often look for that explosive potential. Now, their market cap might seem a little low compared to all the hype surrounding synthetic biology. This sector is buzzing with innovation, and Ginkgo is right in the thick of it. That discrepancy could mean one of two things. Either the market is sleeping on Ginkgo, or there are underlying concerns that we need to address. It's a classic case of potential versus perception. And you know me, I always like to look at the downside. It's important to be realistic and consider all the factors that could impact the company's future. Ginkgo is still in the early stages of commercialization, which means they're spending a lot of money on research and development. This investment is crucial for innovation, but it does come at a cost. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but it does impact their profitability in the short term. Investors need to be patient and understand that these expenses are laying the groundwork for future success. So we've got a company with a lot of potential, but also some question marks. The key is to balance the optimism with a healthy dose of caution. That's why it's crucial to understand the market's skepticism and whether those concerns are justified. Are the worries based on solid evidence, or are they just noise? Let's dive into that next. We'll explore the specifics, analyze the data, and see if Ginkgo's story holds up under scrutiny. Stay tuned for a deeper look into their financial health and future prospects. Now, why is the market hesitant about Ginkgo Bioworks? Well, some investors are wary of the long development cycles in synthetic biology. It takes time to bring these complex products to market, and that can make some folks antsy. Another factor is competition. The synthetic biology field is getting crowded, with startups and established players all vying for a piece of the pie. Ginkgo needs to prove it can outperform the competition and secure a dominant position. And let's not forget the regulatory landscape. Synthetic biology is a relatively new field, and regulations are still evolving. Ginkgo needs to navigate this uncertain terrain effectively to ensure its long-term success. These are all valid concerns, and they contribute to the market's current wait-and-see approach to Ginkgo. But remember, Every groundbreaking technology faces hurdles in the beginning. The question is, can Ginkgo overcome these challenges and justify a higher valuation? So, how do we value a company like Ginkgo Bioworks? Traditional metrics like price-to-earnings ratios don't quite cut it for a company in the early stages of growth. We need to look at future cash flow projections and consider the potential size of the synthetic biology market. Analysts have come up with a range of valuations for Ginkgo, and there's no clear consensus. Some believe the current stock price undervalues the company's long-term potential, while others are more cautious. It's important to remember that valuing a company like Ginkgo is as much art as it is science. There's a lot of uncertainty baked into these projections, and the actual outcome could be very different. That's why it's crucial to do your own research, understand the assumptions behind these valuations, and decide if you're comfortable with the level of risk involved. Section 5. The promise of synthetic biology, Ginkgo's potential. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the massive potential of synthetic biology. This technology has the power to revolutionize countless industries, from agriculture and food production to medicine and materials science. Ginkgo Bioworks, with its platform and expertise, is well positioned to capitalize on this growth. They're already working with partners across various sectors, developing sustainable solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Imagine a world where we can grow meat in a lab, reducing the environmental impact of animal agriculture, or where we can engineer microbes to produce biofuels, lessening our dependence on fossil fuels. These are just a few examples of what synthetic biology could achieve. Ginkgo Bioworks, if successful, could be at the forefront of this revolution, creating enormous value for its shareholders in the process. But remember, potential doesn't guarantee success. We need to carefully weigh the risks and rewards before making any investment decisions. Section 6. To buy or not to buy, weighing the options. So, is Ginkgo Bioworks a buy? This is a question that many investors are grappling with as they look at the potential and the risks associated with this innovative company. The answer, like with most things in investing, is it depends. It depends on your investment strategy, your risk tolerance, and your long-term financial goals. If you're a risk-averse investor looking for stable returns, Ginkgo might not be the right fit for you right now. The stock is known for its volatility, and the path to profitability could be long and uncertain. The stock is volatile, and it could be years before we see significant profits. This means that the stock price could experience significant ups and downs, which might be unsettling for some investors. However, if you're a growth-oriented investor with a long-term mindset and a tolerance for risk, Ginkgo presents a compelling opportunity. The potential for high returns is there, but it comes with the need for patience and a strong stomach for market fluctuations. The synthetic biology market is poised for explosive growth, and Ginkgo has the potential to be a major player in this space. The company's innovative approach and cutting-edge technology could position it at the forefront of a burgeoning industry. Before you make any decisions, do your homework. This means diving deep into the company's financials, understanding its business model, and assessing its competitive advantages. Read up on the company, understand the technology, and get a sense of the market dynamics. Look at the company's past performance, but also consider its future potential, and familiarize yourself with the competitive landscape. Who are Ginkgo's main competitors? What are their strengths and weaknesses? How does Ginkgo differentiate itself in the market? Consider your own investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you looking for quick gains, or are you willing to wait for long-term growth? How much risk are you comfortable taking on? Investing in Ginkgo Bioworks is a bet on the future of synthetic biology. It's about believing in the transformative potential of this technology and the company's ability to capitalize on it. It's a high-risk, high-reward proposition that could pay off big time for those who believe in the company's vision. But remember, with high potential rewards come high risks, and it's crucial to weigh these carefully before making any investment decisions. Section 7. Ginkgo Bioworks, the bottom line. Ginkgo Bioworks is a fascinating company operating in a revolutionary field. They have the potential to disrupt multiple industries and generate significant value for investors. However, they also face significant challenges, including competition, regulatory uncertainty, and the need to prove their technology at scale. The market is currently divided on Ginkgo, with some seeing it as a hidden gem and others remaining skeptical. The truth, as always, lies somewhere in between. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Ginkgo Bioworks is a personal one. There's no right or wrong answer, only different levels of risk tolerance and investment timelines. What's important is that you make an informed decision based on your own research and understanding of the company and the industry. Section 8. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about Ginkgo Bioworks? Do you believe in the potential of synthetic biology? Are you bullish or bearish on Ginkgo's future? Head over to the comments section and share your thoughts. Let's have a lively discussion about this exciting and potentially game-changing company. And remember, folks, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions.